Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 black screen with the cursor. So first you need to press Ctrl Shift plus Windows key and B simultaneously to reset the graphic driver. That is method number 1. And secondly, you can press Ctrl plus Alt key plus delete. Then it will be open Task Manager. I am going to open Task Manager like this. Then after you need to find Windows Explorer. In here you need to scroll down all the way down and you can see Windows Explorer here. Just tap on it, tap on restart. And then after you can go to the safe mode by go to start menu, tap on power icon, press the shift key in your keyboard. While you are pressing the shift key, just tap on restart. Then it will be go to the Windows runtime RE. So in that menu you can choose troubleshoot option and go to advanced options, startup setting, restart. Once it is restarted, there will be a list of options. You have to press 4 key or F4 key to enter the safe mode. So the next steps will be running on safe mode. So as the next step, you are in the safe mode. Right click on the start menu, go to device manager. In the safe mode you will be able to see the windows like this. Then after double tap on display adapters, right click on your driver, tap on update driver, tap on search automatically for drivers. If it says the device is already installed, go back, choose the second option, choose this option and select your driver, tap on next. This will reinstall the existing driver. And if it is not working, again right click on it, go to properties, go to driver tab. If you install latest version of that driver, this rollback driver option will be active. So in this case I have only one driver, so it is not active. And if you experience that issue after the updating, you can roll back that driver into the old version. Once it is done, you can close this one. And again you need to again go to the restart option, then after go to troubleshoot and advanced options. In this time you need to go to uninstall update option. So I am going to from this menu, go to start menu, go to setting. You can do this in the safe mode also. Then go to Windows update option, tap on update history, scroll down and go to the uninstall updates. So these are the updates you are installed on your computer. You need to select one by one, and there is a uninstall button will be appear here. Just tap on it to uninstall your update. So do the same thing for other ones also. Some of the updates can't uninstall like this, so it's okay. You can uninstall only uninstallable updates. Once it is done, you can close this one. Okay, again go to search bar. You are in the safe mode, please remember. Type regedit. This is the registry editor, just tap on it.